Day 5! I've never been to Target. Today is my first time. Ito sila. Hey! Did you find anything? I'm sure marami rin curious or gusto mag-travel here so you know what to expect. Hello! So, it's Target Day. Sabi ng mga anak ko, when they hear of America, they think of Target. Maybe because they see Target in videos, in their favorite YouTube videos like Ryan. Now we're here. Wow, is this fresh? Fresh flowers. Wow. I've never been to Target. Today is my first time. At ang ina-expect ko sa kanya, para siyang department store with grocery. And yun na nga, I think that's it. May Disney stuff rin pala dito. So dito na lang kayo bumili kaysa sa Disney. Look, oh. Wow, that's fine for my kids. Naririnig ko sila. Hey! Did you find anything? Ano? Different ba yung toys here? Same?
No, I saw Sweet Lollipop.
Oh, okay.
There's
Get it.
2, it's 3, 4, 5.
Where did you see it? What did you see?
Sweet Lollipop. Graphic novel.
Tagal niya na naghahanap niya. Anak, different ba yung toy selection here than in the Philippines? It's different? So, here at Target, they have Starbucks inside. Sobrang walang tao dito sa Target. Opposite daw ng Walmart. So, we're going there next. I was supposed to buy tumblers for my brothers at yung mga ibang nagpapauwi dyan. Pero, Walmart check ko muna kasi baka mas mura. Malungkot ako.
Hey guys, we're here at a restaurant to eat our breakfast. We didn't get anything from Target, but after breakfast we're going to Walmart, and then after Walmart we're going back to Target.
Hello everybody! We are here at Scratch Room to eat our brunch. Hindi ko na alam kung paano ko i-divide sa vlog kasi halo na. So bahala na. Pero ayan, nagma-mic pa rin ako. Diba? Effort is real para sa vlog na to. Kasi I'm sure marami rin curious or gusto mag-travel here so you know what to expect. But I hope I can give you kahit konting glimpse of what it's like to tour here in the US. Kahit saglit lang kami dito. Super short lang. Sobrang excited na kami kasi gutom na kami. And mukhang ang sarap ng food. Tsaka dito sa Scratch Room, the Scratch Room, meron silang rice. Diba? So, yan ang mga gusto natin mga Pinoy. Rice. Say hi, Jerry. Hi, Jerry. See you later. Hey, Jada. It's my order. Daddy's order.
Our food is served, and I ordered French toast sticks.
Hold it.
With fries, of course. Gina got my food's not here. My food's not here yet. Yeah. This is yummy. By the way, we're here in Scratch Room. The Scratch Room. Not this. Now we're at the car. Going to Walmart, and we're driving there. Well, Gina said we lost our camera. Yeah, we lost our camera. We're using our vlog is gonna be very incomplete.
So, after namin sa Target, punta naman kami dito sa Walmart. Let's go!
Guys, we're at Walmart. We just got our stuff. I got a Lego set. We're still going back to Target. Rita got a desk for her American doll. And I got the Lego. We're still going to back to Target because we can still buy like 2 more. Yeah, so that makes 3. Yeah, and I'm still gonna buy Lego at Target. And we'll meet you guys at Target. And there is some school stuff in Target. I guess so. Yeah, and Gina's gonna get more school stuff, right? Yeah, because my American Girl doll already.
Ayan, galing na kami sa Walmart. Nakabili na naman kung anik-anik. And now, we are going to Ross. So, tabi-tabi lang sila dito. Kaya, malakad lang kami. Oh, we're crossing the road. Thank you. Okay, pinagbibigyan naman nila kami. Ayan. So hot, pero hindi naman natin masyadong iniinda dahil malamig naman yung panahon. Maaraw lang talaga. Ayan, after Walmart, dito naman kami sa Ross. So yung Ross pala, ngayon ko lang nalaman. Parang mga branded pala siya. Tas at discounted prices, maybe overruns or yung may mga flaw. Yung parang super mura. For example, ito, Carter's. So, magkano na lang to? $13. Cute.
Hey guys, we're done from Ross and we went to Target already. We didn't film that, so... I'm gonna play some games. And I got Funkos, 2 Funko, and 1 baby Harry Potter. And Gina got a laptop. And and this one, and a doll, and a desk for her doll. And Jacko I got 3 Ninjago sets. Yeah. I'll show you my desk, alright? Here it is. Oh, Gina got a desk for her American Girl doll.
Back home again. Kuya, show me. Ayan, walang plastic. Oh, let's see. Jerry! Go! Back in our hotel. Wait for Jerry! Go! Run! 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 Faster! Faster! Go! 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 Go, ate! Go to ate! Go! Go! Jerry! Give the key card. Go! Give to ate. Go! Give to ate.
No, she will scan it.
Okay.
He knows, huh? Okay, guys, we're back in the hotel. We're gonna open some of our toys. I'm gonna open my bitty. Whoa. So, first we got Ron. Mommy, can you open? His name is Ron. Ron. Yeah. And then she has Harry Potter. So if you know any of these, comment down below. And the mystery. Who's it gonna be? Think so, but did you get Harry Potter? Oh, it's Harry Potter! Yay! It's not a rare one, but it's the only character I know. No! So please don't judge. He's gonna open it for me because I don't know how. It's my messenger vlog. Oh! Yeah. I got some stickers. Stickers with another screen, and then you can buy some Shopee stuff. Because you can change the screen. Yeah. And I have AirPods too. It comes with AirPods. Jerry, no! Jerry! I'm sorry, guys. Jerry, the thing that was holding the camera. And this is AirPods, yeah? So, guys, my kuya's getting my laptop out because it's like kind of stuck. We need scissors. We need scissors. Who gets scissors? Mommy, do we have scissors here? Sleep at night.
Hello! It's our day 5. Actually, medyo na-late yung yung family video na day 5. Nakauwi na nga kami. Kanina, galing na kami sa mga tindahan dito. Like, Target, Walmart, Ross, ganyan. So, naglibot na kami. At lang napamili. Ang dami na. Kasi may promise kami ng mga toys sa kanila. So, bumili na sila. Yan. Tapos ngayon, we are preparing to go. Mag-Uber lang kami. I-meet naman namin yung high school best friend ko, si Abby. Nurse siya dito sa California. And, i-meet namin siya. Kasama rin niya yung mga kids niya. So, makakapag-play sila. Meron siyang 2 girls. So, mag-meet lang kami sa... Siya yung nag-arrange sa Cheesecake Factory.
Let's show them Jerry's bottle.
Okay, show them. So, si Jari, excited siya. May nabili siya kanina sa Target.
No.
Sa Ross. Netong Coco Melon. Woo! Do you like it? Wow!
She was drinking
You like it? Grabe, ang sarap pala mag-shopping dito. Talagang mura ng mga bilihin. No, it's really cheaper compared to the Philippines. Alam, umiinom na siya. Ito naman yung nabili ni Jada. American na to, girl doll. O, ayan na, papakita naman niya. Ang gulo na ng namin, ng kwarto. Ayan.
My other ones.
Oh, dami, diba? So, allowed sila to buy 3 each. Kasi sinave nila yon. For example, sa Disneyland, allowed sila to buy 1. Pag hindi sila nakabili doon, yes, nag-a-add up siya doon sa next namin na pupuntahan.
If we see.
Okay, so mainit yung weather ngayon and kahapon. As in, maaraw talaga. Pero nagja-jacket pa rin ako kasi matirik yung araw eh. Pero grabe, extremes. From sobrang lamig nung pagdating namin, yung first few days pagdating namin. Tapos ngayon, ang init naman. Pero yun nga, sabi ni Onel, parang wala namang pawis. Kaya okay din. Pero ang galing lang, hirap na hirap din ako nung malamig eh, kung paano kami magle-layer. Since hindi prepared yung mga bagahe namin, yung damit namin, para sa sobrang lamig talaga. Kaya ngayon, na medyo mainit-init na, mas madali nang magbihis at akma na yung mga dinala namin na mga damit. Yan, most of our clothes naman ay from HTP. Pero yung iba, karaniwan sa outerwear, hindi siya HTP. Pero for example, ito yung top ko from HTP, yung pants ko from HTP din. Ayan. Play sila. So far, so good. Kahit na 4 sila, without yaya, kinakaya naman siya. Mabait naman yung mga batang ito. Kaya, kaya naman. Pero yung antok lang, hindi ko alam, totoo pala yung jet lag, no? Hindi pa, parang, hindi ko siya ma-explain. Wala ko sa tamang wisyo masyado. And I think that's because iba yung cycle, iba yung body clock. Siguro by the time na adjusted na ako, pauwi na kami. Kasi hindi naman kami magtatagal dito. As you can see, buong stay namin dito kami sa hotel. Hindi na kami nagpalipat-lipat. Dito kami nag-base. Ito yung ginawa namin base dito sa Anaheim. We're riding an Uber. Oh, wait. Hello. So, yung pupuntahan namin, it's just 7 minutes away from the hotel. So, luckily, my high school best friend, Abby, lives 15 minutes from Anaheim. So, this is the first time we are riding an Uber. So, para sa I think that's 2 miles only.
No,
$17.
Filipino.
Ha? Para lahat. Okay, it's like all the bite size.
Sweet naman siya, no?
Tap-tap.
Ah, talaga?
Yeah. Mine.
Okay.
Ay, nakakita sila ng Funko. Naku! Excited na excited.
There's Dave.
I don't think tatagal kami, super init talaga. So, they can also paint here. So, this is the Lakma map.